guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening to everybody. Today I'm gonna make a vegetarian fruit pizza. It's fruit pizza. Now I already prepared everything because it takes almost an hour to prepare all the dough, cutting the fruits, preparing uh, the base of the pizza, like instead of making a regular pizza, I'm making a fruit pizza, and I use a vanilla pudding for it. There's something else you can use for a vegan, but I'm not gonna do it today. It's already night in here. It's 7:20 in the evening here in California. So I already pre-made the pizza, the pizza crust. I made this myself. I bought the pizza dough mix. It's a gluten-free. It's healthier than the regular pizza dough. So I'm just gonna put some of this pudding here, vanilla pudding, on top of the pizza dough. You know, it's already cooked. I just took it out from the oven. So I just put it like this. This is a healthy pizza, fruit pizza. You can use any kind of dough if you want, but for me, I just feel like getting it or making a gluten-free pizza dough. So now my pizza crust now it's freshly cooked. Just remove it from the oven, and I think I made too much vanilla pudding, but if it's vegan, you can make a vegan also a vegan fruit pizza. But this is just a vegetarian because I use some regular milk. I forget to get my almond milk to make it vegan. But vegetarian is good. Okay, it's alright too. So I'm gonna teach you how to make a fruit pizza. You can make your own. You can make your own like a sauce, but because this is a fruit pizza, it's like for dessert. So you can use a pudding mix, or there's, like I said, there's a vegan recipe, but I didn't use it yet. I ordered my book so that I can teach you guys how to cook different kinds of vegetarian and vegan food and healthy food, or with meat. So, and this is it. And then you can put any fruit you want as a toppings of the pizza, of the fruit pizza. Any kind of fruit. But don't put too much so that it won't get soggy, the crust. So now I make too much of the vanilla, so I can use that again when I make it, maybe in a few days. You can store it in the refrigerator for a day or two for the pudding that you make. If you have a leftover, so I can use that again next time. And just like this. I haven't made a fruit pizza for, I think, 12 years, I think, or no, probably 10 years, something like that, or 9 years. So I'm just glad I still remember how to do it and how to make it and prepare all the toppings. So you just put it like that, like a regular pizza, but this is gonna be like it's good for breakfast, dessert, or snack. So this is a healthier than the regular pizza, because what you're gonna put are fresh fruits or canned fruit. If you can't find the fresh fruit, I use some canned fruit. It's hard to find a good pineapple here in US, so I just bought the pineapple rings on the can. And I have peaches too, but we'll see. It looks like my pizza is not, it's not big enough. It's kind of like, this is only a medium here, so I don't know how many kinds of fruits I can use. Let's see, because I already have a lot here. So what I got is raspberry, pineapple, strawberry, and believe it or not, maybe you haven't seen it before too, a yellow kiwi. Have you seen a yellow kiwi before? Look, it's not green, that's a yellow one. It's new in the store that I went to today. So now join me, guys, to put the toppings, okay? Let's just start with the strawberry in the middle. I know, at the edge. I think it's better to put it on the edge, like that, to decorate it. I made this before for friends. They even asked me my recipe. So, but my friend told me that it didn't turn out the way she wanted, just like my pizza. So she got disappointed herself. So I taught her how to make it the best fruit pizza, because her kids like it so much. So it looks like I'm gonna cut some more of the strawberries because I don't have enough on the edge. So I'm gonna cut some more. So bear with me, guys. I just gonna go get some more of the strawberries. Just a few seconds. I'm just gonna wash them off and cut them off and put it on the pizza so that it will turn out really, really pretty. And you'll be amazed when it's already done. It is really good. My husband is longing for this for a long time, and finally, now that I'm already vlogging, so I just remember this so that I can give him a treat for his dessert. It's better than getting a dessert in the store. So let's see how many more, you know. When you put the toppings, do not cut a lot of fruits first. It's better if you just estimate it, and then if it's not enough, then cut some more. You don't want it to cut a lot and then you can't use it because it's too much. You don't want too much fruits either on the toppings, okay? Because it gets soggy. You can keep the pizza for 2 to 3 days, but put it in the refrigerator. So this is a dessert. Alright, so I only needed 3. There you go. It's really pretty. My husband will gonna enjoy this. There you go. That's what I love about my husband, because he liked my cooking so much. I don't know why. But he keep telling me I'm a good cook. Now I'm gonna put the yellow kiwis. Okay? There. Just put that on the top. It takes a lot of work, but it's worth it, guys. Believe me, it's worth it. There. So, I got also some mango slices, but I don't know. I don't think I need it because I already have this covered almost the whole pizza. I still need to put just put on the edges, it's extra kiwis. There. And now let's go with our pineapple. Let's just cut them in half, I think. Let's see how it looks for if we cut. cut it in half like this. There you go. It looks nice. See? You can decorate the way you want it, alright? It's your choice. So, but me, as a cook, I always wanted my food presentable. So I always think what kind of decoration, how I decorate it. I want it to look really, really pretty. Make it appetizing and exciting for the person that you're gonna, to the person that you're gonna serve with, and make them excited with your food. There. It looks like I got a lot of pineapples, but I'm not worried about it. You can always keep it in the refrigerator. But my husband loves pineapples, so I don't have a problem with this. So I think I'm just gonna leave it like that. And then, see, I got a lot of fruits, and now I just realized there's already a lot. And now this one is raspberries. I put it in the middle, okay? See how pretty it is? Now, some extra raspberries you can put on the other edges, like that, as a decoration on the edge. Wherever there's a little, like a little hole in there, or extra space in there, you just put that raspberry in there. And there. It looks very, very pretty to me. My fruit pizza. I think I'm gonna put a ring in the middle, just like there. Look at that. It's like a cake now. It's so pretty. Do you like it, guys? If you have any question about this pizza, feel free to comment in the comment section below. Whatever you want to ask me, just ask me. But just watch with your language, guys, because of the guidelines of the of YouTube. So just be aware of that. And this is what I made, and my husband gonna enjoy this fruit pizza. So I finally got it, and I finally got it done. So he's gonna be happy with this. I'm gonna serve him later. He haven't seen it yet because it's nighttime. He's sleeping, but he's gonna wake up in a bit. So I got a lot of extra fruits that I didn't use, and then I didn't know that. I thought my dough was big. I didn't even expect it to be just a medium size, but I just love it. I love it so much the way it looks. It reminds me the first time I made it 10 years ago. No wonder my friend loves it so much, her kids. So there you go, guys. It's very easy to make. It's just a little time consuming, but like I said, it's worth it. Look how it became. I know it's gonna really taste so good because we had it before, and our friends even asked my recipe. So I just want to share it to you guys, what I can make and what I can do in the kitchen. I love cooking. I love baking. When it comes to cooking, count me in. I am a cook lover. So there you go, guys. Thank you guys for joining me making my pizza, and I want to share it to you guys. I wish I can give you some slices, each of you, but who knows, maybe one day. But thank you for joining me making pizza, and thank you so much for your support. So if you haven't subscribed my channel, please click the subscribe button, and click the after you subscribe my channel, you click the notification bell so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. And I will try all my best to entertain you guys about cooking or anything that I can do. So there you go, guys. Before I go, again, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and good night to all the people like me that's gonna ready to go to bed because it's nighttime over here. And have a great day, guys. And stay safe, stay healthy, and don't go out if you don't need to. If it's not necessary, just stay at home for now. And pray all the time. And God bless you guys. I will see you on the next video. So, love you guys. Love, love, love. Big hug to everybody. And thank you so much for your time. And to all my subscribers, thank you so much for supporting me. And to all the viewers, please subscribe my channel. And you can learn something from it and you can benefit from it too, because I'm doing some healthy diets and healthy cooking as much as I can. So there you go, guys. Again, I'll show you again my pizza, my fruit pizza, healthy fruit pizza, and I'm sharing it all to all of you. I'm sharing it to all of you guys. There you go, and goodbye for now. But you will see me again later on. Bye, guys. Love you guys. See you later. You guys take care.